We're going to end the class by showing you how to create a flyer. Really easy. In the flyer section, click your Create Flyer. You're going to then choose a name. Once you put your name in, you still have private notes here as well. You can use address or MLS number. Now, I've chosen a property on Winthrop in Virginia. This is the VA Fairfax MLS number. I'm going to click Fetch Listings. It's going to now go into Bright and pull all of the listing data that's available. As always, the maps here are adjustable. I can zoom in and out, take a look at what's going on up here. Scroll down, see sort options. At this point, you're not creating multiple flyers, so you're really okay with just leaving it right where it is. You can expand the details and view all of the additional details there. Perhaps I want to remove the description. I can update that. I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click Customize Flyer. This is where we really get to pick all of the different formats and layouts and colors. You can see here that it automatically assumes whatever the most recent format I've used, which was the Modern Royal Blue. Click on Theme. You'll be able to then hit the drop down and choose from different themes. I'm going to go with the Cabernet. I'm going to click Choose Theme. And now I'm going to then go to the layout. So what is the layout that I'm looking for? You'll see here, this specific theme has 12 different formats that I can actually pick from. Layout 1, I personally love these Flyer 10s. Flyer 9 is another favorite of mine. And when that loads, I can scroll down here and show you how really beautiful that looks. You can still continue to edit using font, and it even gives you what that font looks like with both the header as well as the content itself. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the ones that I really like. I love this one right here. I can never pronounce it, but I find it a really crisp, clean text that everything stands out for. Description is optional, so you can come in here and type your optional description and then update that. When you're done, click Publish Report. Just like all of the other report types inside of Cloud, you can now see the flyer publishing. When it's ready, we'll be able to look at that PDF. As always, you can edit this anytime. I'm going to click View PDF now. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Your very own property flyer.